Namo Buddhaya. At first, I would like to convey my gratitude to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Gautam Buddha University and Dean of Schools, Buddhist Studies and Civilization (GBU) for organizing an international webinar IWBS 2020 on global well-being and tenets of ancient Indian traditions with reference to Buddhism from 9th to 11th July 2020. Also, my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Arvind Singh, who is the organizing secretary of the webinar, for giving me the opportunity to share my views in this program. It is indeed great pleasure to be a part of this 3-day international webinar. In the inaugural session, it is my opportunity to listen various stalwarts from my country India and abroad. Particularly, Professor Sarao as a keynote speaker nicely explained major obstacles to well-being related to globalizing world. Great Pali scholar Professor Boidyanath Lavsar, who had present Honorable Vice Chancellor Navanalanda Mahavihara, delivered his speech as chief guest on importance of Buddha's Dharma, Pariyatti, Patipatti and Pativeda. Also, he properly mentioned we have to try to practice preaching of Buddha. Professor Bimalanda Kumar, Head Department of Pali and Buddhist Studies, rightly explained Bahujano Hitaya, Bahujano Sukhaya. Venerable Dhammopiyo, General Secretary, International Buddhist Confederation, explained Arogya Paramo Labho and people have to taking good care of balance in food for proper well-being. Also, it's an opportunity to hear from Professor Thich Nhat Tu, Vice Rector, Vietnamese Buddhist University in HCMC, Vietnam, Most Venerable Shangho Seno, Founder and President, Mahabodhi International Meditation Center, India, Venerable Dr. Thich Huang Yen, Vice Rector, Vietnamese Buddhist University in Hue City, Vietnam, and Venerable Megha Goda Abhayatissa, Department of Pali and Buddhist Studies, University of Sri Jayawardhanapura, Sri Lanka. It's no doubt that the full of galaxies were present to inaugurate this important program and fulfill the webinar as an international stratum. I am privileged to chair the second technical session, that is Buddha's Tenet and Well-being, on 10th July 2020 from 10:30 am to 1:30 pm with co-chaired by Professor Sanjeev Kumar Das, Vishwa Bharati University, Shantiniketan, and coordinated by Dr. Rana Purushottam Kumar Singh, Head Department of Buddhist Studies, Navanalanda Mahavihara. In this session, there are 14 papers are presented by various professors and research scholars. Many of those papers were indeed rich in quality. Totally 64 papers were presented through the entire day. There are total 160 papers have been presented in this webinar. I think the very good object of this international webinar that it was open not only for the great and well-known scholars but also for the beginners for their well-being. It's really the proper amalgamation of seniors and junior scholars. Truly said by Rabindranath Tagore, দিবে আর দিবে মিলাবে মিলিবে যাবে না ফিরে এই মহামানবের সাগর তীরে. Give and take, let's meet and match, never go back on the shores of this great man's sea. Once again, I want to congratulate Dr. Arvind Singh and his entire team, especially Venerable Thich Dong Dag, who has proved himself to support the School of Buddhist Studies and Civilization to conduct such a successful international webinar. Also, congrats to the faculty members of the School of Buddhist Studies and Civilization for conducting such a successful webinar. Let us pray for global well-being. Sabbe Satta Sukhida Untu. May all beings be happy. Thank you.